Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, one, subscribe. Two, like, share. For the next notification, three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. All right. Thank you for always watching and supporting this channel. And our lesson for today is how to solve geometry problems using two variables. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. So our objectives for this lesson is to solve geometry problems using two variables. Okay. Now, in solving applied problems by writing a system of equation, first read the problem several times if necessary until you understand what is given and what is to be found. Step 2, assign variables to represent the unknown values using diagrams or tables needed. Write down what each variable represents. No? And then step 3, write a system of equation that relates the unknowns. And step 4, solve the system of equations. And step 5, state the answer to the problem. Does it seem reasonable? And 6, check your answer in the words of the original problem. Okay, so here is an example. So finding the dimension of a parking lot. The length of a rectangular parking lot is 20 feet, more than 3 times its width. The perimeter of a parking lot is 800 feet. What are the dimensions of the parking lot? So first, read the problem again. We must find the dimensions of the parking lot. And then step 2, assign variables. So let L is the length and W is the width. Now, where is the width here? Of course, so this is our W and this is our L, no? So this is the L. Okay. Now, so the length, so as we said, the length of a rectangular lot is 20 feet, more than 3 times. So of the width, so that means the perimeter of a parking lot, we have 80. So what are dimensions parking lot? So step 3, write the system of equations. So because the perimeter is 100 or 800 feet, we find one equation by using the perimeter. So the perimeter has a formula 2L plus 2W that's equals to 180. And because the length is 200 feet more than the 3 times its width, we have the formula L is equals to 3W plus 20. Okay, so the system, therefore, we have the equation 1, 2L plus 2W is equals to 800, and L is equals to 3W plus 20. Okay, for step 4, solve the equation of equations by substituting 3W plus 20 to as length in the equation 1. So we have here 2L plus 2W is equals to 800. So by substituting 3W plus 20 is plus 3W is equal to 100. So we have multiply or by the distributive. So we have 6W plus 40 plus 2W is equals to 800. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, plus 40 is equals to 80. This is combined, no? And then subtract 40. So that means AW is equals to 760. Divided by 8. Now both sides, so divided by 8. Okay. So therefore, your W is 95. Okay? That's it. So, lilinawin natin, no? So, we solved the W using the formula of the perimeter. Okay? So, uh, let us solve for L. So, your L from the from the equation, L is equals to 3W plus 20. So, we have 95 times 3. Okay, so we got 15. Then 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1, 28. Okay, plus 20. So we got 5, 305. So we have here, so correct, the length is 305, no? And then for step 6, the perimeter is 2 times 305 plus 2 times 95, that's 800. Okay, so, and the length is 305, that is 20 feet more than 3 times, so that means 3 times 95 plus 20. Okay, so the answer is correct. Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, so let us try to solve this problem. If the difference between two complementary angles is 26, what are the measures of the angle? So let x is the first angle. Okay, the first angle, so this is sine. Then y is the second angle. Okay, so for our equation, so we must have since we are dealing with two variables, so we can say that since the difference is 26, so x minus y is equals to negative 26. And the complementary is when you add two angles, their sum is 180. So x plus y is equals to 90. Okay, so we can have this through elimination method. So we will eliminate y directly. So we have 2x. We have 90 minus 26. The answer is 64. Okay, then 64 divided by 2. Therefore, your first angle is equals to 32. Okay, so 32 is the first angle. Then how to get the second angle? We will use this one, no? Okay, so x plus y is equals to 90. Therefore, this is 32 plus y is equals to 90. Bring down y. Okay, so we got 90 minus 32. Y is equals to 58. So we have 10 minus 2 is 8. Then this will become 8 minus 3 is 5. So 58. Now it says that the difference is 26. So if we're going to subtract 58 minus 32, 6, 2. So the difference is really 26. And if you are going to add 32 and 58, that's 90. And if you are going to subtract 34 minus 58, then the result is 26. Get it? I hope you understand. So you can start answering all the problems now that involves two variables, especially geometric variables. So use geometric problems. Usually we can deal it with angles or dimensions of rectangular designs or rectangular objects, right? That okay. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So this is your teacher Marife Adonis saying thank you for always there. Thank you my students for always listening to my and watching my videos. I know it can help you a lot, and of course to all the parents, my supporters, the White DC International, Team Solid family that's always solid, nawawala, nagdadagdag, andyan pa rin. Almost a year now. Thank you so much. Hindi lang almost, more than a year na, I think, no? And then, YTC, Team Solid family, thank you so much. Team Foodies, love you all, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next video.